entering in the fourth lesson, that is ratio and proportion. Now here what is asked for that in 4.1 first question, find the reduced form of ratio of first number to second number. How should we write that? Look, the required ratio is equal to first number upon second number. First number upon second number. This what will happen? 72 divided by 60. If you are knowing the table, then you can find it easily. It goes, both numbers are going by 12 number. You should find by which table you can divide to both numbers. So 12 5s and 12 6s means required answer is given ratio means first number to second number is equal to, in the reduced form, this is the answer. Understand? Now similar way, you should solve second as a homework. I am going to write third number. A required ratio is equal to first number upon second number. Then what is there? 52 upon 78. By which table it goes? It is divisible by 13 table. Therefore 13 4s are and 13 6s are. Again it goes 2 2s are, 2 3s are, means 2 upon 3. Therefore first number upon second number is equal to 2 upon 3 is the answer. Now question number 2 is given. Write in reduced form of the ratio first quantity to second quantity. I will write here first quantity upon second quantity is equal to 700 upon 308. Then here, how can we divide? That we will see, is it divisible by 7 table? Yes. 7 4s are 28, 2 remaining, 7 4s are 28, and now here 7 1s are, 7 zeros are, 7 zeros are, means again it is divisible, 4 1s are, 4 1s are, and 4 25s are 100. Therefore 25 upon 11 is the answer of first. Similar way here, first quantity upon second quantity is equal to, here this I am going to convert 14 rupees, means 14 into 100 is equal to 1400 paise. So I am writing here 1400 paise, and here 12 into 100 plus 40 paisa means 12.1240 paise is the answer. So here I will write 1240. Now this 0 is cancelled. Now by which table can we divide? Here can we divide by 4 table? Yes, 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4. Now 4 3s are 12, 2 remaining, 4 5s are 20, means 35 paise upon 31 paise is the answer of ratio of 14 rupees to 12 rupees 40 paise. Now we will take next question from this question number 2. Once again I am going to remind you that if you have not subscribed to the channel, subscription of channel is most important thing for me, and therefore I am requesting you that to get the latest uploaded videos, you must subscribe channel, write your comments. Now third number question is that 5 liter and 2500 ml. Again fourth number is there. Here there is a variety of questions, so taking 3 years 4 months and 5 years 8 months. 5 years 8 months. Okay. Now here 5 liter means 5 liter into 1000 means you will get 5000 ml. Then first quantity upon second quantity is equal to 5000 ml upon 2500. These two zero are cancelled. 25 ones are 25 twos are 2 upon 1 is the answer. Similar way, here both the terms should be converted into months. So then 3 into 12 plus 4 means 12 threes are 36 plus 4, you will get 40 months. And here is 5 into 12 plus 8 means you will get 68 months. Okay? Then what to do? Similar way, first quantity upon second quantity is equal to 40 upon 68. Now then what to do? 4 ones are 4 zeros are 4 ones are 2 remainder 4 sevens are means 10 upon 70. 10 upon 70 is the answer. Now fifth number question, 3.8 kg and 1900 gram. 3.8 kg means we should convert it into the gram. So 3 into 1000 plus 800 means you will get 3000 plus 800 means 3800 grams, and this is 1900 gram. Therefore, first quantity upon second quantity is equal to, what is that, 3800 upon 1900. These two zeros are cancelled. 19 ones are 19 twos are 2 upon 1 is the answer. Okay, do you understand? If you don't have a problem, then I will go into the sixth question of this. Very simple sixth one. Please see and look carefully. What is asked? Minutes and seconds are given, that we have to convert into minutes and seconds. Means minutes should be converted into second. 7 minutes 20 seconds is 7 into 60 plus 20. 420 plus 20 means 440. Okay, 7 minutes 20 seconds. And next one is there 5 minutes 6 seconds means 5 into 60 plus 6. 5 6 are 3300 plus 6 is 306. Now first quantity upon second quantity 440 upon 306. Now divided by 4 double, is it going? It will not go. Now 2 twos are 2 twos are zeros are 2 153 means now it is not divisible. Therefore 220 upon 153 is the ratio. If any wrong, please check one more time. 7 minutes means 7 into 60 means 420 plus 20 means 440 correct. 5 minutes means 5 into 60 means 300 will come, and 6 means 300 plus 6 306, and I have divided here by 2 stable. 2 15s are 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 2s are and 2 zeros are as it is. Now here 153 is a even number. This is uneven number, odd number. This is even number, not divisible. Therefore, that answer is correct. Now, next question, question number 3. Express the following percentage as the ratios are. Question number 3. Question number 3. Express into percentage. Express the following percentages as a ratio. Express following percentages as a ratio. in reduced form. In a reduced form. What is first question? First question is there 75 as to 100 given. We should have to convert into the ratio form. 75 upon 100. 25 threes are 25 fours are means 3 upon 4 means 3 as to 4 is the answer. Second, now I am going to take third number 6.25%. 6.25% means 6.25 upon 100. Now 625 upon 100. After point there are two digits, so in the denominator you put 0. Divide by 25. 25 twos are 50. 12 remainder. 25 fives are 25 fours are zeros are. Now again 25 ones are 25 ones are. How many will remain? 15 will remain is 150 means 25 six are 1 upon 16. That is 1 as to 16 is the answer of question number 3. Similar way, once again I am going to repeat that. Question number 5, 0.64% is given. What to do? Look, 0.64 upon 100. Now write 64 and here after decimal point there are two digits. So in denominator you put zeros. Then 6, it is going by 4 ones are 4, 2 remainder, 4 6 are. Then 4 25 is 100. These two zeros are as it is. Now again 4 fours are 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. 4 2s are 8. And then 2 remaining 4 5s are means 4 upon 625 is the answer of question number 5. One is there giving question number 4 52 upon 100. You should solve yourself. We will enter into the question number 4. Please read question number 4. What is given? In question number 4, 3 persons can build a small house in 8 days. 3 persons. These here persons. And here days are given. Here days are given. Then 3 persons build. Here 3 persons takes 8 days to build a house. Then to build the same house in 6 days, how many persons are required? 3 persons, 8 days. 3 persons, 8 days. Now here number of days are reduced, means it should increase. Means there is inverse ratio. There is inverse ratio, and therefore we should have to take x upon 3 is equal to 8 upon 6, and thus now do cross multiplication. 6x 8 into 3. Now x is equal to 8 into 3 divided by 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are 2 ones are 2 fours are. X is equal to 4. Means 4 persons are required. 4 persons required to build house. What is done? Once again telling, there are 3 people. Takes 8 days to construct the house. But we want to construct this house in a 6th day. Means this number will increase. These days are reduced and another one is increasing. Means there is inverse ratio, and that's why inverse ratio instead of 6 upon 8, I took here 8 upon 6, and then done cross multiplication and solve. This is question number 4. Now we will enter in question number 5. Question number 5. What is question number 5? Convert the following ratios into percentage. Convert into percentage. first question 15 is to 25. Second given, third number taking 7 upon 10. 2 are sufficient as per my knowledge. So look here, 15 upon 25 multiply by 100, you will get into percentage. 25 ones are, 25 fours are, 15 into 4 means 15 fours are 60%. Same way here, 7 upon 10 multiplied by 100, the 0 cancel, 70% is the answer. So remaining two questions are homework for you, and now I am going to enter into question number 6. See, read the question number 6. Read question number 6. The ratio of ages of Abba and her mother is 2:5. At the time of Abba's birth, her mother's age was 27 years. Find the present ages of Abba and her mother. Look, let means ratio of ages of age of Abba and age of father is equal to given 2:5 or 2/5. At the time of Abba's birth, mother's age was given 27. Mother's age is equal to 27 years given, and ask find the present ages. Okay, so we will write let common multiple to the ratio of let common multiple to the ratio be x. Therefore, age of Abha is equal to 2x. Age of father is equal to 5x. What is the difference between them? Difference is of 27. So what I will do, as per condition 5x minus 2x is equal to 27. So 5 minus 2 means 3x is equal to 27. 27 upon 3, x is equal to 3 nines are, means 9 is the answer. 3 ones are, 3 nines are. Now that present age, we want present age of Abha is equal to 2x, means 2 into 9, 18 years. Present age of father is equal to 5x, means 5 into 9, that is 45 years. This is a simple, very simple question. Now we are going into question number 7. How to study? Here, as you are not just before me, so I am going to solve. Very speedily I am solving. You should pause the video and then observe it. Again, pause it, look, and then go ahead. By that way, there is no other way. Now, next question. Present age of Vatsala and Sara are 14 and 10 years. Present age of Sara is equal to 14 years. Vatsala. Now here it is Sara's age is different one, and present age of Vatsala. Present age of Vatsala is equal to 14 years, and present age of Sara is equal to 10 years. After how many years the ratio of their ages will become 5/4. What is asked? After how many years the ratio of their ages will become after how many years ratio of their ages will become. Grammatically we should not miss, so I am cancelling it. Ages will become 5/4. Okay. Now the ratios will become 5/4. So after how many years that we want to calculate. So let a required years. You want the ratio 5/4. So when after how many years? After y years. Let required years be x. Therefore, what will happen? 40 plus age. Therefore, age of Vatsala after x years is equal to 14 plus x. Age of Sarah after x years is equal to 10 plus x. As per condition, what will happen? 14 plus x, 10 plus x is equal to ratio is 5/4. Now do cross multiplication. 4 in bracket 14 plus x, 5 into in bracket 10 plus x. 10 plus x. So 14 4s are 56 plus 4x. 10 5s are 50 plus 5x. Now what is happening? This 50 will come to this side, 56 minus 10, and this 4x goes to right hand side. It is becoming minus, and therefore what will happen? 5x minus 4x is only x, and 56 minus 50 means 6. So after 6 years, a ratio will become 5/4. Now last question. Sorry, this was question number 7. This was just we have observed question number 7. Now we will observe question number 8. So before looking question number 8, once again I am going to remind you that you should subscribe this Ashoka's English Medium Academy channel and write your comments. Tell to your all friends to do it. The ratio of present ages of Rehana and her mother is given 2:7. After 2 years, the ratio of their ages will be 1:3. What is the present age of Rehana asked? The ratio of present ages. Rehana's age of Rehana upon age of mother is equal to 2:7. After 2 years, it becomes 1:3. Okay. So then what is the present age of Rehana? You should have to calculate present age of Rehana. Okay. So simple. Let common multiple 2 the ratio of to the given ratio. 2. Let common multiple to the ratio be x. Actually, to the given ratio. Okay, I will write it properly. To the given ratio be x. Therefore, what will happen? Present age of Rehan is equal to 2x. Present age of her mother is equal to 7x. After 3 years, after 2 years means as per condition, no need to write this all, directly we can take it as per condition, what will happen? After 2 years the ratio is given, so present age is 2x, add 2 years in it, present age of her mother is 7x, so add 2 years in it, and then ahead take 1/3. Now do the cross multiplication, you will get answer 3 into in bracket 2x plus 2, 1 in bracket 7x plus 2. Then what happens? 3 into 2, 6x. 3 2s are plus 6. I have multiplied by this 3 to every term. So 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6x plus 6. And here it becomes 7x plus 2 as it is. Okay, is it clear? Now then what will happen? 6x. This 7x comes to left hand side, is becoming minus. Then 7 minus 6 means minus x will come. Now to right hand side there is 2. This from left hand side 6 goes to right hand side. 6 minus 2 it becomes minus 4. Therefore x is equal to 4 is the answer. So what do you want? Present age of Rehan. Present age of Rehan is equal to 2x, means 2 into 4 means 2 4s are 8 years. Okay, by this way here this I think as per my knowledge this exercise has completed. If you have any difficulty, you may contact me on my number 9881048772. Once again, requesting you to subscribe the channel, write your comments. Thanks for watching the video.